Hi, in this very short demo video, I want to show you how Crosspublish can help you increase your social media footprint and how it can help you increase the number of leads that you get over social media. So right here, we're in the Composer view, which is the main view of Crosspublish. Over here, you can see all the individual drafts that you have created, and you can toggle through them. You can see that this very first post is for LinkedIn, Mastodon, Blue Sky, and Threads. And I can edit each individual copy by itself. When I create a new draft for all of these social media networks, I can go ahead and choose which ones, for example. You can see that by default, all individual social network is synchronized, which means that when I make a change to one of these copies, these are reflected in all the other copies that I've created, which makes it really easy to edit content at scale. The best thing is you can also create threads. So for example, this is a thread over here, and X supports threads, so does Mastodon, and so does threads from Facebook. And so you can see that the thread was created and I can edit them, and the edits will always be reflected across all the providers. If I want to edit a copy by itself, I can simply click on Edit Separately, confirm, and then I can go ahead and make some changes over here. And you can see these changes will only be reflected across the current tab that I have selected. So editing social media content across multiple social media networks is really simple. In addition, you can see that over here I have a Schedule tab where you can see all the scheduled posts. Right here I can set slots for certain time slots when I want to queue up posts. I can select from posts that I've already created. I can go ahead and simply schedule a post into a slot. You can see it appears right here. I can drag it throughout all the individual slots really simply. I can resize my sidebar in whichever way I want. I can set the time zone. And in addition to that, I can also see all the published posts where I can click on the individual provider to open it on the site where it was published. In the calendar view, I can see all the individual posts throughout the month. I can see all the posts that were posted throughout the week, and I can go ahead and schedule posts by simply dragging and dropping a post into a slot or into an empty date. Or if I want to unschedule, just drag it back. I can open a post in the Composer view, I can unschedule it and reschedule it over the menu over here too. And I can always see which social media networks I'm posting to. So in the settings menu, you can manage all your preferences, you can manage how you access your account, you can go ahead and manage your individual workspaces. So you can see I have a workspace for my personal accounts, and I have a workspace for all my business accounts. And in addition, one thing that you should know is that you can connect any number of social media accounts up until 8 in any combination. So you can connect up to 8 social media accounts, and you can connect multiple Facebook accounts, multiple Mastodon accounts in any combination that you please up until 8. I can manage my plan from over here, cancel the subscription, upgrade the subscription, or whatever. And I can also go to the Help Center or send some feedback, which I always encourage you to do. Currently, the Analytics tab is still in progress, and I'm going to be updating that soon. You can always toggle between individual social sets over here at the top, or go to the settings by clicking on your name. Yeah, that being said, I hope you enjoyed this demo.